If you see beautiful fireworks lighting up the night sky like this, immediately take shelter in the safest place in your house.
Wait, what's wrong with those beautiful fireworks? I'd definitely run outside to record them.
But before that, if you can count how many times the word fire appears in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your comment will appear in the next video.
Done!
All right, so those aren't ordinary fireworks. They're debris from a rocket explosion falling to Earth. That rocket belonged to SpaceX and recently exploded during its launch, so stay alert and stay safe.